Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to get 1,000 free Instagram followers. But if you want to get 1,000 free followers, all you have to do is leave your Instagram username in the comments and make sure that your account is public and do not change your username. And in the beginning of the next video, I'll announce who won it and I'll be giving them 1,000 followers on the actual video. But yeah, right now this is my account which has 99.8 thousand followers, and I've done this by repeatedly just giving myself the 1,000 followers. And now I have 99.8k. So if you guys go on your actual Instagrams right now and check it, you guys can see that I'm not capping and that my account actually has 99.8k followers. And I'm not logged in to show you guys that you don't need to log in, sign up, or do anything with Instagram that is possibly like fishy to do by botting method. But yeah, so basically you want to go to nizop.com, or you can use my referral link, which I'll have in the description. And you just want to paste this into your browser, and then it's going to ask you to like sign up for a free account. So just sign up for a free account and then go down here and go to, there's a bunch of different like services and stuff. It goes beyond Instagram obviously, but for this video we're just going to do Instagram obviously. So let's go to Instagram guaranteed followers, because this means that the followers are permanent, and this is also how you're going to get the 1,000 free that I'm going to be giving away. So go to Instagram guaranteed real, and we can see that here's our little thing. So it just asks you to input your username. So this is my username. I'm gonna copy it, and I can keep refreshing to show you guys that it's 99.k, and then I'm gonna put in 1,000, and then it says average time 31 minutes, and it usually takes less than that as well. And the followers, they sometimes give you more than 1,000, so they might give you like 1,100 or something like that. So I'm gonna click purchase now. And all you need to do is sign up for your free account, and you can like deposit funds like securely and stuff. And now I'll just wait, and we're at 99.8k right now, and it's 7:33 p.m. So I'll tune back in when I'm at 100.8k. Yep. So it's 7:38 p.m. and I'm on my phone right now, and I can see that I'm at 1,100 like 700 something followers. I guess it doesn't show on like PC anymore, but my followers are still coming in on my phone activity. But just to show you guys, I can show you guys like a live Instagram follower count that is like updated. So I started off with 99.8k, so I should have around 101.8 or 100. Bro, I'm not mathing right now. Hold on, 100.8k. So I don't know why they gave me like 2,000. But we'll check right now. So we can, I think like Famoid's not working, so we'll just go to like the top search result for live Instagram follower count, and we can see we have 101,714 followers. You guys can go on your own phones or computers, look up my username. You guys can see for sure that I do have 101,000 followers, and it literally took me 5 minutes. So if you want to learn how to do this for yourself, just click on the link in my description, and you guys can use my referral link, which I'll have in the description. And yeah, that's all. And message me on Instagram on this same account, and I'll respond to your message request as well.